Will it start? Here we are today at the BC Vintage Truck Museum in the 1928 Ram 1.5 ton.
Remember, Phil,
pickup.
there was no ball.
Yeah.
So you might have to bump the shit out of it unless there's something inside.
It spent much of its life in a machinery shed when it was not working on the farm near Herschel, Saskatchewan. It was restored in that city. 28 horsepower, 4-speed tranny, 157-inch wheelbase. Will it start?
Yeah, I don't know if there's sometimes there's a finicky way to start.
Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Here we are today in our 1928 Ram 1.5 ton. First drive in a little bit. Here we're at the BC Vintage Truck Museum in Cloverdale, BC. This truck spent most of its life in a shed in Herschel, Saskatchewan, where it worked on a farm. Back in the mid-80s, it was restored to its present condition. And it's a beauty!
Good shots.
We got our mileage, our oil, our amps, and a temperature gauge. Rides like a champ. Top speed, 30 miles an hour maybe?
Yeah, 30, 35. You never know, it doesn't work.
Right? I guess this is a little dome light there.
Definitely.
Right. Built like Graham Brothers, Detroit. Serial number 14967. Wipers. We have the handy dandy vent window for air. This is the AC, 1928 AC. Style driving, gravel road, just like back in the day. This vehicle's almost 100 years old, 97 years old this year. I'm sure back in the day they'd be smoking a couple packs of cigarettes while doing this. This is a 3-speed?
I think it's 4-speed.
4-speed? So you've been driving mostly in first gear?
Second gear.
Second gear, yeah. Oh, alright folks, there you have her. That's a little sample of one of the beauties that we got here at the Truck Museum. Come on down when you get a chance. We're open Wednesdays and Saturdays from 10 to 2. Bye for now. Just a little follow-up now that we're out here in the daylight. You get to see this beauty. Farm truck donated by Williams Moving and Storage. Nicely done. Firestone wheels. Like the red rims. vehicle's been used in a few movies, a few parades here in Cloverdale. Nicely done. Let's have a peek at the old hinge on, shall we? There you have her. General Auto Supply Company. Cylinders, main, and reference number. I'll try to move this little cord here so you can see what it is. Plaque on here. Can't quite read it in the shade. Well, boy, they did a nice job painting this thing. Look at this baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spark plugs. There you have the firing order, serial numbers. Wow, they did a nice job in this paint though. See it in the sunlight, just stunning. Graham Brothers Moto Card, Detroit, USA. The roof's nicely done. The old wood steering wheel. See the leather hinges. Wow. Very, very, very nice. Alright, folks. Hope you enjoyed looking at this gem. You don't see too many of them. This was a farm truck from Saskatchewan, 1928. Thing's almost 100 years old, and it still rides like it just came off the showroom. Okay, folks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please check out my channel, Stick Shift Art. Like and subscribe. Leave any comments if you want. Let me know what else you'd like to see coming up in future videos. Bye for now.